Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, finally the video is here where I'm gonna put up my Christmas tree. By the time you see this video, we're gonna be very close to Christmas, but today is actually December 6th and I am finally putting up my tree. It's been busy and Thanksgiving was so late this year that it ended up feeling like, wow, I better get my tree up or Christmas is gonna be here. So I have a couple of new things that I'm going to be doing with my tree this year. I'm gonna be changing things up. In a prior video, I said that I was going to be doing like a white Christmas tree. Well, I ended up finding some really pretty ribbon. I'm gonna be using this green and gold and this green and plaid ribbon on my tree. And I did get a new topper. From Hobby Lobby, along with 4 of these really pretty picks that are kind of like silver and white, and I think they're gonna look really pretty as a topper on my tree. So let's get started and let's see how this tree comes out this year. Beautiful velvet ribbon. So this is gonna go on the tree, but I'm gonna put my topper on and my little accents at the top of the tree first. I think that tree is just like a perfect size for this apartment. I don't have a lot of space for it, but it fits nice in that corner. It's a 6-foot pre-lit festive flocked pine, and I did get it from Home Depot last year, so if I can find it, I will definitely link it below. Guys, it's starting to look like something. So I have this beautiful plaid ribbon that I'm gonna put in between the other ribbon, and we'll see how that looks. I'm really liking sort of the sophistication of the tree right now with this darker ribbon. I usually do like a gold ribbon. I feel like it looks like it's going to a black tie affair. I love it. I'm gonna get my ornaments. All right, so I have all of my ornaments that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna be putting these on now. I'm just gonna put a couple of these white and sort of silvery goldish, they're not too gold, poinsettias. I'm just gonna sprinkle those in. Okay guys, there she is, my Christmas tree 2025. Now I didn't put on like a ton of ornaments, but I don't think it needs it. I think with that really big topper and the ribbon, it really kind of stands on its own. And I didn't have a lot of just white and silver ornaments, so I'm glad I picked up the ones I did from the Dollar Tree, because I wouldn't have had enough ornaments if I hadn't picked that up. So when you are in the store and you are feeling compelled to pick something up, it's probably because you're gonna need it at some point. So anyway, that's just my tidbit of information. I'm gonna take you closer to the tree. I'll give you some really good close-ups. Thank you so much for coming along. I hope that you have enjoyed my Christmas tree decorating video this year. I actually love how it came out. So thanks for watching, everyone. Take care. Happy holidays.